Me I repo. I am a madam gra. I didn't echo so Ghana. And your mind after 64 years of independence. Near Lenami, Equay. All said that Biamitaka, or mine be a person tomb pone what that's a papa. Or mine no it Mrs. Senior, my papa at 2 money. And on Ghana, development plan ban pa any war. Yeni 100 years development plan, 50 years yenibi, 10 years development plan by yenibi. Near your one hour bussia who draw ya bonny him day, which you are not before so. Now look at this story. And that's what I see. Committee na chimia we for parliament said that ye yentia first lady and the second lady aka e Ghana. And so mampanyi ayiri and your mampanyi be yiri yenti omaka. Now look at how funny these figures are. And on the say yenti mampanyi nka. And on the Nana Dankwa Kufuado ne yiri Rebecca yenti adeka 21,000 cedis a month. And what's salary allowance no be allowance per month no plus 87,000. What is happening? Such Ghana go forward. It means that Ghana you was here and I was here who don't know everybody be a debate. Now the answer crowd when is that Scana running is a journey no. Young backdated from 2017. What? Ghana is serious, you're paying for the serious. And you know when I do about what I did because you original. Now, I'm PP supporters, NDC supporters. Are you hearing what I'm hearing? And as well, the rumors can be. Now, the information, the facts are there. Say, I propose the idea, and I think, say, yeah, I accept it. So, where your back doors is a parliamentary committee, you said, yeah, now, why the NDC before there? And as well, the MP before 1 year. And the MPs, no lawyers need to be for what are you doing? Is this constitutional at all? Send the Yentia president, get a first lady, a car, Nientia second lady. A Mampanya, the Yentia Jomoka. Nine sign crown some backdated from 2017. Now let me tell you, say, and now you're far buying a Juma Nibi, and I say a 4B, a Juma. So your teacher is or your nurse ni. Na a chair and son or country another. And I can try to be poor. I was a bad dating near the man. Ropa. Na I can't general catch us which meant to 3 months near the amount. And Titia and under the age to Musa Yencha vice president, the Yerika, near president Yerika, near bad dating from 2017. What is happening? 21,000 cedis a month. And allowances of 87,000 a month. Can you know? So only free 2017 June never through July 2021. Look at how much it is. Now simple calculation. You have what then? It's kind of saying 7,479,000. I can't even calculate this. I need a proper calculator. Near your cost me a dear advance and I say for him. What? Ghana. Now, to be fair, I think it's an episode yesterday. What you need to do is go into politics. And I know what you're sorry for quite well. What we you can't say education is the key to go school and I will. And then you put our course school at Ghana in your demand or unemployment rate quite cost. And then I'm telling you, politics is the way. Otherwise, as of today is the way. School never be no work. Tell you, how. What is happening in Ghana? And see, my near brain here for money. Now, my number 1 person in the whole of Africa, Paul Kagame. Oko Rwanda, or my Nanto sell mine. I want one country. Mine in it took just 1 person, Paul Kagame. And then now Rwanda, the man is the nation is fixed. What fixed him? What fixing mine? We must have seen Campo. Bro, Paul Kagame actually fixing Rwanda. Now, to Rwanda is here. Oh, because I go to Singapore. It took just 1 person. But Ghana didn't go so. Well, one funny thing is, your politics in Yaboyedi, and MPP that is what Nana 4 years, near 4 years a month. Of course, Roba from the next election, about NDC Bermini, and to about 4 years, near a sympathy, your money, I said another 4 years among 8 times, and to acquire another year than a years. That is no one that said, and you be able to for parliament. Now, NDC for Betty, and I'll go through because when you say, Nana, no, sorry. Scanning the Debema Rebecca, I Akufado, and then the Debema Miagre. No more denying to no master, Thomas, and this new Beba, so they near Tianica, and the vice president, Nantos and he imagines said, vice president, sometime no your bad, you could not to get Tianica. What is happening in Ghana? Are we serious at all? Well, the whole demonstrations before you, I hope, say, and you might because we should just put a stop to it. The last time, I kind 2 MPs be, I think that Omu Nimgia for law, then your manema, no more a sue, Attorney General, for the approval of such way. Yentia be yet, I think they will stop here and get better. And you may cost Ghana in fact in Quay. Now, let me tell you one funny thing. Going back into memories, before quite a crab in here, back in the days, memory lane and check. Former President John Adekun Kufuor ebe free so no kofa ade e friend S Gracia e no ye ya na to ho na edu won ebe masika ma MPs politicians na no mo ye ni o e no mo accept S Gracia enti no bi better so 4 years no kwa na ye tu S Gracia obi 8 years no kwa na ya manisika no ko na ni pe di etire eto aba mo obo no eguso sofa anya personal sika mpo ne ye pa free wo na mo nya man ni ye ma ye a poor nation like Ghana. Hippie no cry down, almost anti a beam from Bessan Yacobi, Yakania, and yet crying yet and so Nipa Quendamino. And yet, vice president, for my bank cry, and who's at the way. I did who be Germany, who be UK, who be US, who be Canada, or Young Africa. You can't see this, our Rwanda, South Africa, whom what you will. Oh, Nigeria cried and come was maybe crowd. What is happening? Now, on a second story, you see, I could give $28 million near the Atokasa MPs. Now, no, I'm down quite good for the United States. No, I share made in Ghana traditional wedding. Donald Dukun Kufu every soon almost as a promo to say I'm patronizing in made in Ghana goods. Fine. Cantan Kaya cars or Ghana. I'm listening to me because Cantanka cars living for Parliament. Just a papa. And I'm telling I was an idea, Papa Yanton said, what is happening? So we should patronize made in Ghana goods, yeah. Yeah, can't run any MPs and any ministers knows again. I'm Mope Carlo Yamono. What is Ghana? Go straight to Cantanka. Now, what the Cantanka cars, maybe. Now, we'll find them around. Never one. Well, someone who is that finding in Mope cars, Papa. Quite someone your margins and fix it. And for 64 years, you to fix a simple kind. Car coin. I will call Europe near America, Fitire coin by Bia Prabos, Yaguso. As a car coin, your term free women near the Ababe to fall. Near Nima, Scadi, a bassy engine, dear or parliament to know BID. Any other thing, woman people near this is all more contour. A basket engineer, oh, yeah, common, simple. And you see about young to MP for MPC, yes, and I know my D. Any other thing, I don't know MVP is different. So we be one name papa. When you know my name. I hope say when you know baby. I'm on when you look at ground. And you may person in Koyi. Now things that just this week, yet I was Haiti. President or this one more man for to Nipa the people didn't net here, no Cabon Woody. It was never been negative way actually. You know, of course, I'm not sorry. Oh, Bow, yes, I did. Some will bring us up to one sheet, but the end of all my year. Near Mount Kui Ghana. Near Manijina, Namakondo, me my hondo. Anyway, Billy and Michael Saints. This is Michael Saint Media. Yeah, for so many. We have videos no one needing one. Yeah, subscribe to your YouTube channel. No, you cannot cry. You're too full. But that's it. Bye bye.
Like, subscribe to Michael Saint Media. Thank you.